shining in the class. Hearts awake, the moment starts. Crossing bridges made of words, finding who we really are. Ideas light the classroom bright. Laughter fills the games we try. Building dreams through every task, seeing farther with our eyes. Fly with English.